Holland versus France. Yes, that's the match in the evening with the European Championship Soccer. Hello everyone, welcome Today in the daily newspaper of Friday, June the 21st, 2024. Yeah, Holland versus France. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 star Sudoku and the 4 star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzle. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. First one is the Sudoku with 3 stars. 3-star Sudoku, yes. And this will be a number. Let me zoom this. This will be number 8761. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. A 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 6, 2, 1. Alright. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about a 6 in the first row? 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left the 6 should be there. 2 in this row, third row. 2 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 8, 8. And then 4, yes. 7 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers the 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in the second column, so no 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 and 8 in the second row, no 4 and 8 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Need a 9 here, okay. Then 5, 5, 5. Then, let me see. 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2. Oh, wait. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this row, middle row. So no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes at there. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this row. Should be there. 3, 3. Okay. 3, 3. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 7. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left, 6 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this column. Column next, no 4 there. The only place left, the 4 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1, 1, okay. How about the 6 in this column? 6 in that column, so the column 3. The middle column, the only place left with 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3. The second column, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 4, 4, okay. Well, in this row, wait. In this row, we need a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4 because we have a 4 in this big square. No 4 in these 2 boxes. This box can be 4. We have 4 in the second column. No 4. So the 4 in the third row could be here, or there. We see another 4 in this column. No 4 there. We see another 4 in that column. No 4 there. Only place left the 4. It should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in this column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Then 2, 2, 1, 1. Well. Yeah, 8, 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and 8. We have 9 and 8 in the second column, so no 9 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair, 9 and 8, 9 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. Alright. 9, 8. Okay. Then, let me see. 1, 9, 5, 3, 6 in this column. 6 in the third column. So the column between. The second column, the only place left is 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1 and a 2. 3, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square. Other numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a pair. So the other pair should be the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5 then. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5. It should be there. Then 1, 197. 197. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only two places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 1. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 here. Alright. 1, 2, 9, 8. Come on. 8, 9, 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 and the 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in this row. No 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 7. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and the 8. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. 4 and an 8, we have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. And the two numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9. 1 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Well, not true. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the third row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left, the 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So, well, please with time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.